How to fix Instagram message not sending or receiving problem. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you're trying to send or receive the Instagram message but you are unable to do that, here is how you can actually fix the problem. But before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do, simply go ahead and open up the settings app from your phone and then scroll down to the app section. I'm going to go and tap on apps here. Now inside the app, you might see the manage apps option. You can get into this one and then go ahead and search for Instagram here. And once you get the Instagram app, go ahead and tap on Instagram. And inside this, you just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll get to see the stories. Go ahead and tap on this and then go and tap on clear cache at the bottom right. And once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. You just need to get back from here and then open up the Play Store from a device. I'm going to open up the Play Store and then go and search for Instagram here. And then go and tap on Instagram, and if you found any pending update, go and update your Instagram application to the very latest version. And right after that, go ahead and check your problem is fixed or not. Most likely your problem is going to be solved, but if you still have the problem, then here's the last guide that you guys can do. You can go ahead and open up the browser, and inside the browser, go ahead and search for Instagram server status. And you'll get to see the first website, downdetector.ae. You just need to get into the website, and inside this one, you'll get to see the Instagram server status. So you'll get to see the Instagram server status is yellow. So if you see that the Instagram server status is red and it says the server is down, then all you have to do, this is the server problem. So you actually have to wait some time until it's fixed automatically. And right after that, you will be able to send messages from your phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.